Big races, I would just sit there and I would just tie my shoes, and then I would untie them, and then I would tie them again, and then I would untie them. Yeah. And then with swimming, it was like that with my goggles. Yeah. I was like super freaked out.
We're at the base of the Beehive. The last hike on our main trip, and probably the most treacherous. You can kind of see it above the tree line there. I just got a good drone shot of it. Pretty much straight up. No gradual inclines on this, but hopefully some good footage.
So we'll come down that way.
The cliff begins. Warning. This trail follows a nearly vertical route.
And then you too, boy.
Oh, this is cool. Oh, that's a little cliffish. Oh, rung. Lots of iron and rungs on this trail. Let's get up here. Here are the rungs that everybody's talking about.
These rocks are like slightly loose.
Yeah.
You feeling that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Right on my part.
This is okay. What I really was not able to handle, what they had mentioned earlier, was like being done without any like. Nope, that's not happening. So this is okay.
It's not so bad. Just shot everyone coming up.
Can you back up a little bit?
Okay.
This is freaking awesome.
Yes, Sam. Grab those rungs.
One thing at a time, you know?
Yeah.
What is it? 4 points of contact? 3 points of contact?
Okay.
All right. This is so cool.
Oh my god.
All right, we're keeping it going.
Sarah wants to pause and take a picture.
Just
Yeah. Going across the metal rung. Nice.
I'm not trying to rush through this right now.
No.
No, I'm gonna enjoy every second of this.
It just seems like a tripping hazard. Maybe they put it there for that reason.
Whoa. Scary.
Yeah.
I see what you mean now. It's worse and worse as we go. I know.
You would have been able to see everything.
Come on up, Sarah.
Alright, let's go.
On the road again.
Oh my gosh, it's all white. Or in the car. Maybe that helps the situation. Some lobster?
Lily, I'm jumping your spot in line. I'm almost better able to find
Yeah. I could
Wow. And we've reached the top. Just about.
I still see some more.
A little bit more. Let's go up there. No more scary rungs.
Yeah, okay.
I'm scared.
We'll come back from this. Is so great. Wow. I'm so glad you did that.
That was fun. It wasn't even
Double Acadia?
No,
wasn't even that vertically challenging.
50 feet off the ground.
Look down right here.
Exactly. I got to document that I was in the crowd. Billy, your back is like
Sweet view from up here because there's a giant haze coming in from the ocean, but one can only assume that we're very high up.
walking that close.
Wow.
Anyone want some trail mix?
And that's the Beehive hike. Thanks for tuning in.
After I